My name is Sri Karnam. I am saying pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very dirty. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their very way and prophetic aluminum championing. Jai.